Okay, and we are back. This is week 17 of Miner Wars in GoMining, or should I say GoMining's Miner Wars. Don't forget to join the Discord if you're already mining with GoMining and you're in Miner Wars. We are doing a giveaway this week because we have reached 1,000 terahash in the clan, giving away 2 Bitcoin miners, both 1 terahash at 15 watts a terahash. We had another great week of some Bitcoin rewards. As you can see, we are currently up to 0.0191924 Bitcoin. At current rates, that is converted to $1,683.35. Bitcoin's kind of having a bad day today, but our pool rewards for this week were $49.32. As you can see, we got the full reward because we paid our electricity and service fees with GoMining. Unfortunately, we now have under 1,000 GMT in our wallet, and if you have not yet signed up, my referral link will be in the description below. As you can see, we also got 2.31 GMT for being a liquidity provider. That's a nice little $1.03. If you've yet to join the clan, it is open to the public. Everyone's free to join. We're just sitting shy of 1,400 terahash. The week has just started, which means a brand new cycle. Last week we got a 2x block. The week prior we got another 2x block. And the week prior to that we got 2 1x blocks. And then the week prior to that we got another 1x block. With a total investment of $3,825 USD, 1% of that equals $38.25. And our total rewards together with Bitcoin and GMT is $2,520 USD. So 2,520 divided by 38.25 equals 68.88, which means our total ROI so far is 68.88%. Because the market crashed over the weekend, our ROI has gone down. Once the market recovers, our ROI will probably be over 70%. And once again, don't forget to join the Discord. We are hosting the Bitcoin miner giveaway this week, and this week only, from February 25th to March 4th. To enter, you need to react to the giveaway with this present. You need to stay in the server and in the GoMining clan until the giveaway ends. Share it with your friends. The more people, the better. And this one is my favorite because it has a little Bitcoin stacked in the bottom corner there for you already. And the winner of last week's block was Dominik, and he took home a nice 695 GMT. I'm curious who's going to win us a block this week. Will it be you? All the links will be in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.